My Insta 360 failed down last week, and one of the lenses got damaged. I bought the original lenses online from eBay. I received them in 4 days. First, you must heat the lens with heat gun. It will come off easily with heat gun. I saw a few videos they break the lens and damage the cover. Heat gun is the easiest way to take the lens off. Then after heating it well, use the tool to take off the lens. Don't worry if you make mark around the camera. Just heat it again with heat gun, it will back as it was. After taking off the lens, just clean the spot well with alcohol. Make sure you remove the old glue. When you finish cleaning, use some glue to fit the camera. I bought this glue online from eBay. It's the glue that you can use for this thing. Make sure you cover all around with glue for waterproofing. Then after that, take off the new lens. Don't clean it as new, but make sure you don't touch the inside, otherwise you must clean the lens. Then carefully put the lens on its place. Let the glue dry for an hour or two, then clean the lens. And this is the result after installing the new lens. I will clean the lens tomorrow for better results. I hope you enjoyed the video.